In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to Zoho Books. If you send invoices through Zoho Books and want customers to pay online, connecting PayPal is a quick win. Before we start, make sure you have access to your Zoho Books organization and a PayPal business account that you're authorized to use. It also helps to know which currencies you accept and that PayPal supports them. With that in place, let's walk through the connection. Begin on your Zoho Books dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your organization's financial overview. From here, you'll access all of the settings needed to enable online payments. If your interface looks a little different from what you're used to, don't worry. Zoho occasionally updates labels and layouts, but the flow stays largely the same. Next, look for the settings icon, typically a small gear near the top or bottom corner of the page. Click it to open the full settings area. This section controls how you get paid, how invoices behave, and what your customers see on their end. Inside Settings, choose Customer Payments. In some layouts, this may appear under an Online Payments or Payments category. This is where Zoho Books centralizes all payment gateway options, so selecting Customer Payments is the fastest way to get to the right place. On the left-hand menu, click PayPal. This opens the PayPal integration page in Zoho Books, showing an overview of what the connection does and any options that become available once it's linked. If you already use other gateways, you'll see them listed here too. Selecting PayPal ensures your invoices can offer PayPal as a checkout method. Now click Set Up Now and follow the confirmations. Zoho Books will guide you through a short authorization process. When prompted, sign into your PayPal business account and confirm that you allow Zoho Books to process payments and retrieve transaction details on your behalf. Review the permissions carefully so you understand what data flows between the two services. If PayPal asks you to agree to terms, confirm those and continue. When everything is approved, you'll be redirected back to Zoho Books and you should see a success message or an active status indicating that PayPal is connected. That's it. From this point forward, when you send invoices through Zoho Books, customers can choose PayPal at checkout, which can speed up payment collection and reduce friction. If you ever need to revisit options, return to the same customer payments area to review settings or disconnect the gateway. Thanks for watching and enjoy the smoother, faster way to get paid with PayPal and Zoho Books.